close friend of yours, Michael Healy Rae, had some particular words about electric cars there in the Dáil recently, and I think he called them a load of rubbish. So have you had any conversations with him about testing it out, or perhaps spinning it down?
I hope to give him a spin in it now some of the days and let him try it out for himself. Look, there's a lot of misconceptions in relation to electric vehicles, and I think that's one of the things that we have to overcome. I suppose the big issue for most people is range anxiety. So am I going to run out of electricity or battery charge? For most people in and around Dublin City, that isn't going to be an issue. The bigger issue is going to be out the country. But funny enough, over the last couple of weeks now, I've actually had a few constituents that have come to me. They're considering now buying an electric vehicle, and the big issue is the charge points. I want to roll out about 50 rapid charge points a year over the next few years across the country.
And how have you found it so far?
It's lovely. What really surprises me about it is how nippy it is. You know, I suppose you have this impression that an electric car may be more sluggish than your traditional fossil fuel car. And it's not at all. It's really, really nippy. And that's the one thing, I suppose, psychologically you need to get around.
The ads for some car companies is diesel is dead, and we have the Mayor of London as well imposing big congestion charges. Do you see Dublin going down that sort of road? We
do need to get people to get off the roads, not just in relation to congestion, but in relation to air quality. I don't think we're going to be able to take cars off the road overnight. I think it's a combination of things that we need to do. But even from an obesity point of view that we have in this country, if we could encourage people, you know, to park the car a bit further away from work and walk that last kilometre.
Finished now, how do you find it? Does this might be one for you, perhaps?
Yeah, look, I have to say I've been really impressed by the electric vehicle. I think you're going to see coming onto the market more and more family size vehicles. This is a compact car. I have 4 kids. It is tight, but I'm looking forward to bringing them for a test drive in it at the weekend as well.
And Michael and Danny as well.
And Michael and Danny as well. Yeah, I don't think we'll fit them all in at the one time. We might need a roof rack.
Yeah, exactly. That's perfect. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
Not at all.